Hey friends, if you wish to keep the toolbar always visible in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, by toolbar, we basically mean this toolbar. That is a very general term. The specific term for this is taskbar. So I will mention it here. It is called a taskbar in Windows. So to make sure that it is always visible, right click on it and select taskbar settings. Scroll down and there's something called as taskbar behavior. Now this is for Windows 11 only, okay? Expand it and make sure that this option automatically hide the taskbar is unchecked. Like if it is checked, then uncheck it. Now when this is unchecked, which is also the default setting, the taskbar will always be visible no matter what. And if you don't see these options, then right click on the start button, select settings, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.